What's up, West LA computer warriors? Ready to ditch the beach traffic and dive into the hottest tech trends rocking our silicon-soaked paradise? We're talking LA tech secrets you won't find on Silicon Valley news feeds. This ain't no boring lecture, this is straight fire intel from your local West Side Jedi Master of Tech, your boy, West LA computer expert. Forget Stanford dorms, LA's tech scene is thriving under the palm trees. Think VR experiences so real you'll forget your surfboard at Malibu, AR apps turning Venice Beach into an alien invasion zone, and AI-powered scripts predicting the next Oscar winner before the director even shouts cut. We're talking Hollywood meets Silicon Valley, and the result is pure digital gold. But it ain't all about Tinseltown, baby. We've got startup hubs hotter than a Santa Monica sunset, buzzing with young entrepreneurs tackling everything from climate tech to healthcare AI. Think coconuts and coding, yoga classes and venture capital meetings. This ain't your grandparents' Silicon Valley. And the secret sauce? Diversity like a Hollywood casting call. From female founders shaking up industries to immigrant tech wizards with game-changing ideas, LA's melting pot fuels innovation like gasoline to a Tesla. This ain't just a tech scene, it's a cultural revolution shaping the future, one line of code at a time. But LA ain't just stuck staring at screens. We've got aerospace companies reaching for the stars like surfers catching the perfect wave, biotech startups rewriting the rules of medicine faster than a Hollywood rewrite, and sustainable tech solutions saving the planet with the greenest thumbs west of the Mississippi. This city's got brains, brawn, and beach bods, and it's changing the world from the mountains to the ocean floor. So, there you have it, West LA fam. LA tech is the hottest trend since avocado toast, and it's just getting started. Want to be part of the wave? Hit that subscribe button like you're dropping in a pipeline, and I'll keep you hooked up with tech tips, hidden gems, and maybe even score you some sweet gadget swag. Remember, the West Coast ain't just for surfers and sunbathers anymore, it's for tech visionaries with dreams as big as the Pacific Ocean. Let's ride this LA tech wave together.